pretty heartbreaking. We're in downtown Kelowna and the west side is burning like crazy. It's so insane. The other side is clear and gorgeous. If the point is, I'm pretty sure we have to evacuate. Again, this is the downtown side of the lake, and over on the other side, this raging fire, you can see, is just filling the sky with smoke. For the last 2 days, it was smoky over the lake, and this is just showing up and double. It's just moving so fast. And again, the other side is just gorgeous. So I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm worried for the people over on the other side. It's pretty sad.